have with us Leena Gupta, happiness, wellness, spiritual coach. Leena, thank you so much for joining us.
Pleasure.
Being the expert in this field, first of all, what do you think of this forum that we have put together? I mean, how do you see this?
I think it's fantastic to have a panel with a 360-degree view so that you have variety of opinions. It's very important to have a panel like this where you have expertise
Right,
and you have different points of view.
right.
What I think is very important is also to get the audience's opinion and questions, because I was dying to ask a question.
Right.
So I think that's something that we can include. But it's very important to get people who are not saying the same thing. It's okay to have a difference. It's okay to have opposite views, because that makes it more interesting and something that's thought provoking.
Right.
So yes, I'm enjoying this. I enjoyed it last year also.
Right.
I think you've done better this year
Right.
with coordinating the event. So congratulations on that.
Thank you. Alina, quickly,
Yes.
everybody wants to follow wellness, but nobody wants to put in the hard work. They want quick fixes.
Yes.
What is the way to sustainable well-being, according to you?
You said it. It's practice. Practice. You need to love yourself so much that you are willing to come out of your comfort zone. You are willing, just your willingness to be uncomfortable will get you there. And hard work. Hard work means inner work.
Right.
Let's turn inward. My whole concept is
Yeah.
I have
Look
a book,
inwards.
I have a book coming out that says Anchor Within, because I think we've been smiling at the whole world too long.
Right.
It's time to turn inward, look inside, and smile at the inner child that is waiting to be heard, seen, and loved.
Right.
And practice will get you there. Commitment to yourself.
Right.
It's high time.
Very well said, Leena. Thank you so much for joining
Pleasure.
us here. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Pleasure.